This one had more issue
It has more issues. Why you say that?
because this one had they feel that other one like this.
Leaning back.
And this one is like this.
It's leaning forward.
Yeah.
So Muhammad, what did you say about the wall?
I'm saying I did not do the right job for this wall the way it's supposed to be built.
Uh-huh.
So whatever it is, the build is gonna fall off ultimately because they didn't do the right job. So you have to do the way I'm gonna give you the design, the drawing. You have to follow that and do it. It's not too late, you can fix it.
Okay. So we can fix it without pulling the whole wall down?
You have to take the wall out,
Okay.
fix it.
Okay.
I mean, it's just easy to take it down anyway.
Yeah.
It's not that hard. But you have to fix it on the other side.
Backfill it.
Yeah, backfilling fix it.
Yeah.
So that is important, man.
I still got to send you. I'm gonna send you the retaining wall specs that's on the survey. I mean the site. So no, this wall. It's two separate walls. So we had to put a break in this wall right here, and this second wall is the one that's very concerning. But now that you said that this needs fixing, we're gonna have them fix this as well. Yeah. So this one needs to be fixed. This one too.
It's a more mistake.
That's even worse. You said it's even more mistake. This one too?
This is a more mistake.
That's even worse. You said it's even more mistake.
This one has more issue
It has more issues.
than the other one.
Why you say that?
Because this one has they build that other one like this.
Leaning back.
And this one is like this.
It's leaning forward.
Yeah. And this forward, that means it will fall off faster than the other one.
Right.
Either way, creating pressure is going to create pressure from that side. So you have to fix that. You don't have, that's orange line, if they're your property line, you don't have enough space to fix it. That's another issue.
Right.
Let me show you.
So the other wall's leaning back. Yeah, because that's the property line right there.
Yeah, the property line is from the wall only 3 feet. And this one has 500 feet. Five feet 6 inches maximum height. More issue. Only 30 inches. We saw 3 feet, right?
2 feet from the property line.
That one.
Yeah. That's.
3 feet.
Oh, you said 3? Okay.
3 feet. 0 inches. Property line. Okay. All right. If you, it's still recording.